you about my experience with the Steam Deck. I just got this the other day. I just had it for a couple of days, so this is a really early on impression of the device. And so far it's been pretty fun. I've only been able to really download one game so far, which is PGA Tour 2023. And that's a really fun game. I really have been enjoying that one. I've noticed that there is a lot of games on here that you can pay for or use for free. There's a lot of titles still. It's going to be probably my only complaint so far is there's a lot of titles that it shows you, but you can't actually get because it says it's not compatible with the Steam Deck. So I think that's, I hope that that's something that is changing. I don't know too much about it, but I hope that that is changing because there's a lot of titles I saw that I would like to play, but haven't been able to. I like that you can upgrade the storage on this too. This is a 256 gig version, but you can put a card in there to expand that. And other than that, I've just kind of been getting used to it. The only other complaint that I have, really kind of a not real complaint, on the fence complaint, battery life is okay. I've played off and on about an hour of PGA and I'm at 60% battery, so about an hour left. And so I mean, battery life is going to be okay. Graphics wise, it's really good. I mean, really good graphics for a portable game system. I mean, I think it's really great graphics, honestly. Nice speaker. Really good controls. I like that it's got a touchpad, it's got joysticks and directional pads. I mean, it's got so much options. So, so far I'm pretty impressed. I would like to see more offerings and titles, but maybe that's something they're working on. So that's my initial impression after only having the Steam Deck for a couple of days. So check it out here on Amazon if you're interested.